Let's start. Recently, United States of America. Recently, United States of America granted Strategic Trade Authorization. Recently, United States of America granted Strategic Trade Authorization to India. Strategic Trade Authorization to India. What do you mean by Strategic Trade Authorization? Not organization but authorization. What do you mean by Strategic Trade Authorization? What is the significance of Strategic Trade Authorization to India? What is the significance of Strategic Trade Authorization to India? For this question, the answer is, in July 2018, US granted Tier 1 STA to India. Tier 1 Strategic Trade Authorization to India. Strategic Trade Authorization. Strategic Trade Authorization is a strategic trade authorization is the license exemption. Is a license exemption that allows a set of items on the commerce control list to be exported from the US under defined conditions without a transaction specific license. అంటే స్ట్రాటజిక్ ట్రేడ్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ అనేది యుఎస్ ఇస్తే కనుక యుఎస్ నుంచి మన కంట్రీకి వచ్చే ఎక్స్పోర్ట్స్, యుఎస్ మన కంట్రీకి చేసే ఎక్స్పోర్ట్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, ఆ ఎక్స్పోర్ట్స్ డిఫెన్స్ సంబంధించేవన్నీ కూడా ఒక్కొక్క దానికి స్పెషల్ పర్మిషన్ తీసుకోకుండా సెట్ ఆఫ్ రూల్స్ ప్రకారం అన్ని చాలా కమర్షియల్ ఐటమ్స్, చాలా ఐటమ్స్ ఈజీగా ఇండియాకి యుఎస్ ఎక్స్పోర్ట్ చేయొచ్చు without stringent norms from US government. Strategic Trade Authorization helps the US exports to India without much conditions and bottlenecks. Okay, this status is given to NATO allies. Generally, this status is given to NATO friends, America's NATO friends, and it is extended to the countries like Australia, Japan, South Korea, etc. It is extended to the countries like Australia, Japan, South Korea, etc. The same status is given to India. First, remember this. STA will ease export controls. For high technology product sales. Ease the sales of high technology products. It will ease the export controls of high technology. So India will get advanced, sophisticated, critical technology from now on from America. India might get advanced, sophisticated, critical technology from America. First point. Advanced, sophisticated, critical technology from America. This is one thing. The granting of STA1 status to India is very important because in 2016, India recognized US recognized India as a major defense partner. In 2016, US recognized India as a major defense partner. US recognized India as a major defense partner. So 2016 India became major defense partner. 2018 US granted STA, Strategic Trade Authorization, to India. India is the only South Asian nation. India is the only South Asian nation to be given this designation. India is the only South Asian nation to be given this designation. So this point also you should write. India is the only, don't write Asian nation. In Asia we have South Korea, in Asia we have Japan. India is the only South Asian nation to get this designation. This designation is a logical extension. This designation is a logical extension for defense partnership, for major defense partnership. So logical extension for major defense partnership. Okay. This is also recognition of India's impeccable record. This is also a recognition of India's impeccable record as a responsible export in India's impeccable record as a responsible power. How recently India joined in 3 export control regimes. Recently India joined in 3 export control regimes. Except energy, India joined in Australia Group, Wassenaar Arrangement, and TCR. That point you have to accept. It is recognizing India as impeccable track record of the country which has proper responsible export control power. Because recently India joined in other things. And next point, STA will bring a regulatory change. STA will bring a regulatory change and will enhance the bilateral defense trade relationship. It will enhance the bilateral defense trade relationship and results in a greater volume of US exports to India. Results in a greater volume of US exports to India. And lastly, you can write that point also. What is that? COMCASA. What is the full form?
Applications compatibility, security.
Compatibility. What is the full form? Communication, compatibility, security, authorization. It will also enrich COMCASA. This is the answer. Exactly, if you write this, you will get very good marks.